Legend has it that primitive water jet washing machines already existed in Europe as early as the 17th century. In 1858, American inventor Hamilton Smith created the first patented rotary washing machine, which used a hand lever to move a linear shaft during the washing process. Around 1874, various hand-operated wooden washing machine designs appeared, using gears to agitate clothes, greatly improving their practicality and leading to wider adoption. In the 1880s, steam-powered washing machines emerged and gradually replaced manual labor. In 1911, the United States successfully produced the first commercially available electric washing machine, marking the beginning of home automation. In 1937, the United States introduced the first fully automatic front-loading washing machine, which combined washing, rinsing, and drying functions. In 1955, Japan, inspired by British jet aircraft technology, developed the pulsating washing machine. This innovation remains popular today and led to a three-tier market consisting of pulsating, front-loading, and rotary drive washing machines. During the 1970s, fully automatic washing machines controlled by microcomputers were introduced. In the 1980s, China imported dozens of international washing machine technologies, increasing annual production from only a few hundred units in 1978 to approximately 3.65 million units by 1988. In the 21st century, with the widespread adoption of variable frequency drives and intelligent AI-based controls, washing machines have effectively freed human hands, eliminating the inconvenience of hand washing. Subscribe to the Wild Guardians channel to stay connected and receive the latest updates.